Hi, today I'm going to show you how to pick colors in GIMP. There is one easy method that I recommend you to use. For this process, we need to use color picker tool. It will let you to set colors from image pixels. So I click on it. If you don't see this option, you need to click right mouse button and then you need to select here color picker. And now you have some options here to select. I recommend you to uncheck sample average and sample merged. And here we have options set foreground color. I need to check it. And for example, if I click somewhere here, you can see that the foreground color has been successfully set here. If you would like to set background color, you need to select this one option. And for example, I will click somewhere here and it has been successfully changed too. And the last option is add to palette. I click on it. And if you will click somewhere here, it will be added to your palette. Of course, you can use these colors later if you want. Everything depends on your preferences and your project. So it's all for today. If I helped you to pick colors, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.